Hi cello pupils, I'm going to teach you how to play We're Witches of Halloween, which is a fantastic tune for this time of year. Hope you like the autumn aesthetic going on here. We love it in this house. So I'm going to show you how to play it. Starts with 3 fingers on the G string. So you've got your first finger and then second and third, big stretch. Click, click. So during the rests, I'm going to click my fingers. You don't need to use the bowing hand, just pop that on your knee and click, click. So let's run through those notes we used. We climbed from the first on the D string to 3 fingers on the D string, 4th finger, nice big stretch. Keep your hand in a big open shape to help you reach that. Back to 3 and then back to 1. I'll demonstrate that again. Click, click. Very similar, the next bit starts with 3 fingers on G again. Click, click. Now we're going to go from first finger on the D string to first finger on the A string. Cut that nice and short. 4 fingers on D, big stretch for you. And a nice short bow again. Click, click. Bad timing, there's the phone. Okay, phone call dealt with. Let's do the last section again. I'm going to show you something a wee bit different. So you can do a tremolo. We're using the point of the bow and just trembling on the last note, which is first finger on the D string. It's called E. Start loud and get quieter and quieter. Okay, I'll play it all the way through. So I hope you manage it. Send me a message if you get stuck. Send me a recording once you've managed it. Good luck, enjoy it.